One more time. Okay. So we're starting again. So what came is the 2 levels of the basket and then the 2 side hooks and the hook for the banana stand. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you can go with me through these instructions. So let's see if I can get my phone to stay up without falling down. Okay, so here we are. So step 1 is saying to take one of these and you hook it on the bigger basket. So I think we're going to turn it this way and we're going to hook it. Okay, I think this makes sense. Okay. Okay, this makes sense. All right, and then we hook the other side. All right, now we get the other basket. I'm gonna do this without letting go. Don't let go. And we're gonna hook the other side. The other side. All right, we're in business. All right. All right, now we gotta give a little squeeze. Hope I don't pinch my finger. All right, I think we're in business. Okay, and then we have this piece, which just kind of slides on the side. Okay, we did this in 2 minutes. So once you actually look at the instructions, it works out.